Yeah. St. Paddy's Day approaches. Can't you tell? Now, it's a drinking holiday, so it's only fitting that I have an alcoholic recipe for you. Welcome to my kitchen. So, I was researching recipes for St. Paddy's Day, and I came across a recipe for Irish cream, like Bailey's Irish cream. I'm sorry, what? You mean I could have been making this whole time? Do you know how much money I would have saved during my hardcore party days? What? Anyways, the recipe is actually really super simple to make, so let's make it. We're gonna pour a half a cup of Irish whiskey in a microwave-safe bowl. We're gonna heat this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And then we're just going to stir in a half a cup of milk chocolate chips until smooth. Now, if need be, you can just microwave this at 30-second intervals until the whole thing is nice and smooth. Then we just dissolve 1 teaspoon of instant coffee granules in 1 teaspoon of hot water and then set aside. And then in a blender, we're gonna pour the chocolate whiskey mixture, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, the coffee, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1.5 cups of light cream, or half and half. You can also use heavy cream, but just realize that it's gonna be pretty thick. And we're just gonna blend this on low for about 30 seconds until it's nice and smooth. You can also just mix this by hand as well. And then what you wanna do is refrigerate the mixture until it's completely chilled, at least 20 minutes. And then you can use this however you use Irish cream. Like for example, a Bailey's and coffee. Or how about a mudslide? Whatever the case, you can enjoy this Irish deliciousness in, well, whatever you like. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you're definitely going to make this recipe or if you're just as mind blown as I am that you can make it at home. All right, you can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.